In this video, we see how to generate Orthophoto in Stonex Reconstructor. In CAD Output tab you can create Orthophoto or X-ray Orthophoto. The procedure is the same. Now let's see the X-ray Orthophoto. Create a new. Choose the fitting method. If you select current view you can also choose the view. The ortho camera has been created and it is the white square. Check the arrow to know the direction of the ortho camera. If necessary, click on Invert Direction. Click on Dimensions and Corrections tab. Arrange the dimensions so that the ortho camera contains the necessary. Click on Preview. From the preview you verify if the Orthophoto suits your need. Click on Snap. Select the contrast algorithm. Usually the logarithmic transform suits all the cases. Click on Open in Viewer. From the Orthophoto viewer you can draw or get measures. It is also possible to know the depth of points. Click on Depth to know the depth of a single point. Or click on Depth Grid. Insert the value for grid spacing and select the sampling method. Click on Export. Select how you want to export the Orthophoto. In the project window you see the depth points created in the Orthophoto viewer. You can create a point list or a point cloud from the depth grid.